Okay, today's March 10th, back at again in the middle of the week, and I did the rear brakes now. So now I've got the rear brakes put together, and the axle is back in. So that looks all good and new. And the cap's just on. It's not tightened. There's no oil in it yet. Just FYI. On the other side, ready to go. And I did a little progress on the front upper control arms. So I got some grade 8 bolts, and so I got these two off. The bolts were stripped, but they came off not too bad. Got this one, but this one here is completely stripped. The whole thing is just spinning. I just can't get it off, so I'll have to find a way, probably cut it off. I'm not sure. And I just haven't time yet. I gotta get out of here. But I will do this other side here. I just got one in so far. I took one out to take into hardware store to get a bolt and match it up. And so I got one on, so I'll replace those. And that's kind of it for today. That's all I did. Yeah, so moving along.